What's up guys? Welcome back to Honest Cooks. Today we're making cloud bread 3 ways. It's very simple really. Take your egg whites, add the sugar, whip your egg whites, add the flour, whip your egg whites, portion it out and bake it. Now let's slow it down a little bit, shall we? Oh, and make sure no smurf touches your egg whites. So before this recipe trended on TikTok, there is actually an original keto version that is one of the 3 types that we will be making today. For that, just loosen up the cream cheese a little bit with a spatula and mix in 1 large egg yolk with it. And when your mixture is creamy, you know it's ready. Set it aside for now. For all the 3 types of cloud breads, we need egg whites that we'll whip together with some sugar. I'm using a hand blender. You can use a stand mixer or a hand whisk if you have one. While I whip the egg whites, if you're new here, please take a second and consider subscribing to Honest Cooks. Once your egg whites are a little frothy, start adding your sugar a little at a time. Continue doing this until you have whipped in all of your sugar. After this, I divided this mixture into 3 equal parts, and to 2 of those parts, I'm adding cornstarch. We need the cornstarch in the egg whites for the TikTok trending recipe and also for the original recipe. For the 3rd version, I will be adding Ep.5 flour, and we'll continue whisking this until it reaches the consistency of shaving cream. I've also whipped the egg whites with some Ep.5 flour, and it's the exact same procedure. Once the egg whites with the cornstarch is ready, I'm dividing this into 2, and in 1 part I'm mixing the cream cheese and the egg yolk mixture. To avoid breaking the air bubbles, I first mixed in a small quantity of egg whites with the cream cheese mixture and then added that mixture into the bigger bowl of egg whites. When you're ready, carefully transfer these on a baking tray lined with parchment paper. Give it any shape that you like. The second one is the one with the Ep.5 flour, and it's a little bit looser in consistency compared with the cornstarch. And for the traditional recipe, these are going to be somewhat flat since they are a lot heavier with the cream cheese and the egg yolk in it. We'll bake this in a preheated oven at 300 degrees Fahrenheit for anywhere between 20 to 25 minutes depending on your oven. And when they're golden or brown, we'll take them out. This is so fluffy and actually like a cloud. The one with the cream cheese does not deflate that much, but the others do deflate a lot. Taste-wise, the cream cheese one is much better. There you go, 3 recipes of cloud bread, starting with the traditional all the way to TikTok trending. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Honest Cooks. And I will see you next week with another recipe. Until then, have a lovely day.